looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Asteria here, and let me tell you, I'm very excited that they changed their packaging. I mean, before it was standard, you know, and cool, but I like this. The colors are really nice green. It's giving classy, and it's, you know, branded. Love that. So first thing I'm seeing is the wig, and then there's all the goodies as usual on the inside. So I got a pair of lashes, a edge brush and comb, a Asteria headband. I also got a pair of the HD wig caps, and finally Asteria drawstring bag, which you can store your wig in. Okay, so we're working with this gorgeous Waterwave 5x5 lace closure. It's an HD lace closure wig, and I'm so excited. I love the way these curves look. It's nice and soft. It's not like extremely soft though. It does have like this coarseness to it, but the hair is really full, and I like that. Like, you see that? It's full to the tip. Like, it's so perfect with how full it is. So I love that already. It's a 1B color, as you can see. Comes with this nice little center part, and it is plucked in the front here. You know, it looks really nice and natural, you know, and it's a HD lace, so you know that's gonna add to how realistic it looks. Now inside of the wig they did add a extra, you know, elastic band for more security, and then we have the adjustable straps, as well as three combs for added security. So that's good. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop them in the hoops, you know, to make sure it's nice and snugged on my head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slip this on. So that's looking good so far once I slip it on. Like, it's just a little piece of lace to cut off. Like, the hair itself feels so good, and I'm so excited. I know this is gonna be a breeze to install, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Got2b just so that we can get it nice and just melted in the front. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs or anything either. I just want that nice pull back look. And this is actually glueless. I'm just using spray to, you know, melt down the front. So yeah.
When we got stakes for real, we looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no fly in the mirror. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes next year.
That looks amazing. I'm very pleased. Super quick and easy. Very beginner friendly. Little to no experience needed. I'm just gonna take my elastic band to further like press this down, and go over that with my blow dryer. In the meantime, while I just let it hold it down, what I'm gonna do is actually get the hair wet. So today we're doing a wet look with this Waterwave wig, and I'm excited. It's been a while since I've done a really nice wet look, so that's what I'm gonna do with this. And yeah, I'm just gonna drench this, and I'll be back. So I went ahead, got it wet, and it looks so good. You see the curl pattern, it's like not too tight, you know. It looks so good. Like, really and truly can't complain. I cannot. Alright, look at that. That looks good. So I'm gonna do is take a little powder, just kind of like to mute down whatever shyness might be there in the front. And I'm also going to take a little bit of my, you know, foundation to make the parting a little bit more visible. And that will literally be it. It's such a breeze.
in the race. All I do is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. He was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn it 8.
Yeah, so that's how we're looking. It looks so good. Like, the lace is very nice and melted and undetectable. The curl pattern is just like way more defined, and it's very, you know, juicy. The hair feels amazing right now. It feels really soft now. I mean, obviously, you know, you're adding water or whatever, so it's gonna dry down. Even like if you wish for it to like get back voluminous, it will, because you know, if you just add water, you know, yeah. But if you want to keep the wet look, I suggest you go ahead and you add like some mousse. You know, that mousse that really forms the hair. Yeah, that mousse is really good. I used to use Soft Sheen Carson, but I don't see that mousse anymore. It used to come in like a black and pink bottle. Over time, there are other brands that came out, so you could use one of those and it will hold it just fine. Or you could even add a little bit of conditioner to that mixture, and it will help to keep the curl like in that state. The only thing with the conditioner sometimes is that if you do too much of that, it will keep the hair, you know, too weighed down. And if you don't plan on keeping the wet look for too long, then, you know, I recommend just doing the mousse and water. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I want to shout out to Yolissa here. They came through with the quality. Feels really good. And for 24 inches, did I tell you guys it's 24 inches and 250% intensity? Yeah, it definitely, it's giving that. It's giving 250% intensity, but in 24 inches, I must say this feels like 25 or 26. It feels like you got a little extra. So it is a really, I feel like this is a really nice 5x5 water wave wig. It did it. Definitely, highly 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. So go ahead and check out my description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this for yourself. If I have any discount codes, anything like that, it will be listed, and all the specifications will be listed once more down in the description box. So check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28.